Okay, so another way Atwood establishes the dystopia is through the use of formal language. In the novel, there are certain rules that are restricted when it comes to the language they can use. For example, the wives and commanders pretty much have freedom of speech. Freedom of speech gives them power over those who don't, such as handmaids. Handmaids must speak formally when greeted or giving any response. This can be seen in the quotes above. Restricting the handmaid's speech gives the government power. Also, limiting the speech of certain characters generally creates a sense of fear, and they become afraid of punishment if they were to accidentally say the wrong thing. This mass hysteria creates power, and you could also argue that some of the handmaids become brainwashed in a sense and fall into a state of mindlessly following along with these so-called standards. This is all created through the formal language barrier between the handmaids and others. Atwood also uses formal biblical references in the language to further separate the powers between the Gilead and handmaids. Gilead uses biblical terms to characterize the names of authoritative positions. This can be seen in the quotes above. For example, in the second quote, calling them angels. This emphasizes the idea that the people of Gilead should be looked up upon, or are supposed to be, and these soldiers or angels as people of exemplary conduct or virtue in which they should be striving to follow and obey. In all, the formality of language combined with the biblical references do justice in setting up this dystopian feeling throughout the novel. Thanks.